I spent a whopping $7.74 on a palette I've been wanting for a really long time. So I got this off of Amazon, and I must say they did a really good job putting a bunch of bubble wrap to protect the palette so it wouldn't arrive in a million pieces. So this here is the Always Blushin palette from Wet n Wild. I have been wanting this palette for, I don't know, as long as I've seen Taylor Wynn use it. And I don't know why I've always put it off. But when I made a purchase off of Amazon, you know how they get you? Oh, if you spend $8 more or $6 more, you'll qualify for next day shipping, even though I'm Prime. Someone explain that to me. So long story short, I always check, all right, is there anything I want? And lo and behold, this palette was, I want to say, less than it normally was. I don't know. When I saw the $7.74 price tag and it got me over the hump of what I needed for free shipping, I said, put it in my cart and send it to me now. I also notice whenever I do a drugstore video, I don't have drugstore palettes other than those e.l.f. little bite size. So I thought, this will make a good addition to my collection. Let me zoom in so we can get started putting together an eye look. All right, let's get started with the swatches. So there are 16 pans, and I did top row, second row, middle row, and the bottom row. Let me show it side by side. So it swatched beautifully. Not that swatching makes a difference on how it's going to apply on the eyes. I was surprised that there were more shimmers than matte shades. That I was not aware of. But I'm not mad at that because I love a good shimmer. I also thought in honor of the Wet n Wild palette, I should whip out some of my Wet n Wild brushes. I'm going to start with the kind of bone white shade and just get it all over my lids to kind of set down the concealer. I'm not wearing any kind of primer, so let's just lay this down, and then we have a nice clean slate to work with. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have heard of this palette and or tried it, and if so, what are your thoughts? Is it a good one? You can't beat the price in my opinion, and I have been a fan of Wet n Wild products for a really long time. Normally for me, Wet n Wild is either like a foundation or a lip product. Alright, next I'm going to go into this shade here, which is kind of a soft tan. I was debating back and forth. Do I want to do the more purple, kind of rosy pink, or more of like a tangerine orange? And I had to pull myself back from the pink because I've been doing a lot of pink lately. I love how many options you get in this palette. You can either go cool toned or warm toned, or even mix it up. But yeah, it's got a lot of various options for you for only $7 and what did I say, 74 cents. Can't beat that. All right, I'm going to take that same shade I put in my crease underneath the lash line. If you're new, welcome. I don't use a special pencil brush. I just take whatever brush I've been using and I just pinch it so that it's very thin. Makes it quick and easy to get underneath my lower lashes without having to dirty up another brush. Alright, I'm going to go into the second row here, which is like a medium dark brown shade, and I'm going to kind of get that on the outer corner here just to deepen that up. Let's see how quick of an eye look I can put together. So far, it is looking really, really good. They are blending out beautifully. If I can blend them out and I'm not an MUA, then I think anyone can. Alright, I'm going to dip my finger into this shimmer shade here and get it on the outer edges, and let's see if I want to pull it all the way across or use a lighter shade. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. Now the pans are smaller than other pans, but so far the quality is really nice. No complaints. All right, now I'm going to go into this sparkle shade here. This was more kind of see-through, kind of a toppery shade. But let's see how it works on top of the original white as kind of, yes, that's what I was hoping for. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. And I'm just going to blend it over the top of that other deeper shimmer shade. Ooh, I'm liking how this is working out. Very, very pretty. I'm going to take that same shimmer, but this time on a brush and see how it does on the brow bone. Okay. Yes. I'm just going to grab a clean, fluffy brush and just kind of blend that edge out a little more than I probably should have done to begin with. And I think it is a simple but beautiful eye look. Now, I'm noticing that shimmer's kind of disappearing just ever so slightly. So I'm going to take, again, the Wet n Wild brush, which is very flat, and I'm going to use some setting spray. And let's see if it maybe applies a little better with the brush being wet instead of using my finger. Some shadows work better, others not so much, but let's see if it is a little more impactful. Oh yes, look at the difference. This side has a wet brush application and this was just with my finger. All right, I'm gonna pop off camera, add eyeliner, touch up my mascara, take out my hair clip, and then I'll come back and we'll take a look at the final look. All right, so here is the final look. Very simple, very neutral, but right up my alley. And for anyone who might have been scratching their head saying, did she change her lip look? Yes, I did. The other look was a little more pink. This is a little more nude to blend in better with the eye look. So now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this eye look? What do you think of this palette? Is this something you already own? Or are you like, I have $7 to spare? It's just very versatile. You can probably get, I don't know, 6 to 8 different eye looks in here. I only used, like 4 shades? So for the price point, I think it's fantastic. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.